Ancel AD310OBD2 scanner. Simple, reliable, and a must-have for every driver. Your video on the Ancel AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 scanner is an excellent walkthrough of one of the most practical tools any car owner can have. You strike a great balance between showing how the device works, explaining its features, and demonstrating real-world use cases, making it approachable for beginners while still informative for car enthusiasts. Design and build quality. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Right from the start, you highlight the AD310's compact, lightweight design with a sturdy build that feels reliable in hand. The video shows off the bright LCD screen, clearly labeled buttons, and durable OBD2 connector cable. Your commentary on how easy it is to handle, even for first-time users, sets a reassuring tone for viewers who may feel intimidated by diagnostic tools. Ease of use. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. One of the strongest aspects of your review is the way you emphasize the plug-and-play simplicity. You walk through the process of plugging it into the OBD2 port, navigating the menu, and retrieving fault codes. The way you explain each screen and function step by step makes it clear that no prior experience is required. Features and functions. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You cover the scanner's core features in detail. Reading and clearing engine fault codes, check engine light. Live data stream monitoring, RPM, fuel system status, etc. Freeze frame data for troubleshooting. Emissions readiness check for smog tests. Your video explains how each feature works in real driving scenarios, which adds real value. The demonstration of clearing a fault code on screen is especially useful. It gives viewers confidence in what to expect. Compatibility. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You make it clear that the AD310 is universally compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, 1996 and newer US and worldwide models. By showing it in action on different vehicles, you highlight its versatility, which is one of its biggest selling points. Performance and reliability. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star 1/2. Your real-world tests are a highlight. The scanner boots quickly, reads codes almost instantly, and displays them clearly. Your explanation of how the AD310 provides code definitions directly on screen without always needing a manual or Google search is an important detail. You also mention that while it doesn't have advanced features like ABS or transmission diagnostics, it delivers perfectly for its intended purpose. Engine and emission-related codes. Value for money. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Your conclusion drives home the point that the AD310 offers incredible value. It's affordable, easy to use, and can potentially save car owners hundreds of dollars by diagnosing issues at home before visiting a mechanic. You present it not just as a tool for enthusiasts, but as a smart investment for everyday drivers. Final verdict. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You wrap up by calling the Ancel AD310OBD2 scanner a classic, no-nonsense diagnostic tool that does exactly what it promises, quickly and reliably. Your review shows that it's perfect for beginners who want peace of mind, as well as experienced drivers who need a dependable, portable scanner. Overall rating, 4.9/5. Your video review makes the AD310 feel accessible, practical, and essential. By showing step-by-step demonstrations and real-world results, you give viewers the confidence to buy and use it themselves. Whether someone's a DIY car owner or just wants to understand why their check engine light is on, your review is the perfect guide.